Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a special dish from Kerala, Vanpayar Theeyal, made of black dye bean or Lobia and coconut paste. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, to a pressure cooker, I am adding 3/4 cup of overnight soaked red pea cow. This is high in nutrition. To this I am adding 1 large tomato chopped, a slit of green chilli, salt to taste. Add 3 glasses of water and pressure cook this for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, let's heat a kadai. To this I am adding coconut oil, urad dal, chana dal, some fenugreek seeds. This is to prepare a coconut paste. Add few curry leaves. Let this splutter. Add dry red chilli. Saute it for a minute. To this I'll add half sliced onions. Once the onions turns translucent, add 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Fry the coconut till it turns dark golden brown. Meanwhile, let's add couple of shallots. Once the coconut turns light golden brown, we'll add the dry masalas like coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Now fry this till it turns dark brown. Once the coconut achieves this dark color, switch off the flame and let it cool. Now grind this into a fine paste like so. Now we'll add this paste to our cooked beans. Our beans have cooked really well. As you can see, the beans is getting mashed easily. To this we'll add the coconut paste. I've added 1 cup of water to the mixer jar to get the remaining paste. Mix this well. Now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. We want the gravy to thicken. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the gravy has reduced. To this we'll add 2 teaspoons of Jaggery powder. This is a mandatory step. If you want, you can reduce to 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder. Now let's move towards the tempering. In a kadai, I have taken enough coconut oil. To this, I have added mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Let this splutter. Then add curry leaves, shallots. Once the shallots turns translucent, add the remaining half of the onions and let this turn golden brown. Towards the end, add dry red chillies. So here our tempering is ready. Let's add this to the gravy. Mix it a bit and immediately cover the lid and simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here our delicious Vanpayar Theeyal is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with hot steamed rice. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.